Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about this booster HydroBoost pump by Pentair. This is part number 360526. This is used for pressure cleaners and swimming pools. We don't see a ton of these in Phoenix, but some of our customers back east do use a lot of these, so it's a great product for them and anybody that has a pressure cleaner. It does include some of the plumbing inside with the pump. And this is also a 115 or 230 volt. So depending on your voltage situation, this will work with it. We got a lot of them in stock here, especially ePoolSupply.com. You can get them there, or 2710 West Bell, our warehouse here. We've got them there as well. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.